Hey people, so I'm going to do an unboxing of the products I got from Bart. They sent me this. Another packaging it. I hate when I do this packaging because I like to keep it sometimes, but I have to break this to be honest. It's not the way. Yeah, there's no other way to do this. Aftershave balms. I think there's a few in here to be honest. So let's go and try. Oh wow. It smells nice to be honest. Oh my god, there's a few, yeah. No, they're all batch. All batch 11. I think they're the same. Oh no, they're not the same one, they're different ones. Yeah, they're different ones. They're different ones. There's better in there. Yeah. I'll just take one out so I can show you. Ben Nevis, this one is. There's a few. I'll do my research and then go on the site and then see what it is about. But yeah, that's my unboxing, people. Follow my social media down there, and you can follow them as well. You will see their links and everything as well. But thank you, bots. You'll see my product trialing coming soon as well. So yeah. Catch you, people. Bye.